Welcome to VCC Library's two-part video tutorial on how to search the CINAHL database like a pro. These videos will help you get the most out of CINAHL, the cumulative index to nursing and allied health literature. For more general database search skills, see our Finding Articles playlist. In this video, we'll focus on translating concepts from a sample research question into CINAHL subject headings, and then adding those subject headings to our search history in CINAHL. In part 2, we'll supplement those subject headings with keywords, and then finally combine the various subject heading and keyword searches from our search history into a single complete search. We'll start from the CINAHL homepage. If you're off campus, you'll need to log into your VCC account first. If you need help, check out our video titled Off-Campus Access to Online Library Resources. Okay, our first step is to look at our research question and identify the key concepts. For this two-part tutorial, we'll use the sample research question, is St. John's wort a safe and effective treatment for depression in women? We can break this question down into three basic concepts: St. John's wort, depression, women. Now we're ready to translate those concepts into CINAHL subject headings. But first, why should we care about subject headings? Well, subject headings are consistent terms that are assigned to every record in the database. Using subject headings will help you find relevant results that address your question. Subject headings are a really precise way to search. Let's see if we can find a subject heading for our first concept. Type St. John's wort into the search box, select Suggest Subject Terms, and click Search. We can see that St. John's wort is a CINAHL subject heading. Check the box to the left of the subject heading to view any subheadings associated with it. Subheadings can be used to quickly narrow a search, but be careful. Subheadings often exclude relevant results, so we're not going to select any subheadings today. We'll go ahead and click the Search Database button, which will bring the St. John's wort subject heading into our search history. We'll be using our search history later, in part 2 of this tutorial, to combine these searches into one complete search. Next, we'll follow the same steps with the second concept from our research question, depression. Make sure to clear the search box, type in depression, select Suggest Subject Terms, and click Search. And here we see that depression is a CINAHL subject heading. If we click on the word depression, we can see where the concept falls in the hierarchy of subject headings. This is called the tree view. There are several narrower terms nested underneath the heading depression. If we want to include those narrower terms in our search, we can click Explode. An exploded search will retrieve more results, including articles about depression, as well as those about postpartum depression, reactive depression, and so on. Now click Search Database. We can see the word depression followed by a plus symbol. The plus symbol tells us the subject heading was exploded to include its narrower terms. The third and final concept from our research question is women. But instead of translating women into a third subject heading right now, we'll wait for part 2 of this video tutorial to use limiters to narrow our search according to gender. In part 2 of this tutorial, we will supplement our subject headings with keywords, combine our various subject heading and keyword searches into a single complete search, and finally, use limiters to retrieve the most relevant results.